The mysterious island. Alex had always been fascinated by tales of adventure and discovery. So, when he stumbled upon an old, dusty map in his grandfather's attic, his heart skipped a beat. The map depicted a small, uncharted island in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, simply labeled, the Mysterious Island. With a mixture of excitement and determination, Alex decided to follow the map and uncover the secrets of this enigmatic place. After months of preparation, he set sail on a small boat, equipped with supplies, a compass, and his trusty camera to document his journey. As Alex approached the shore, he noticed the island was lush with dense, emerald-green foliage and towering trees. The air was thick with the scent of exotic flowers, and the sounds of unseen creatures echoed through the forest. He anchored his boat and stepped onto the sandy beach, feeling a sense of awe and anticipation. The voyage was long and treacherous, with turbulent waves and unpredictable weather. But Alex's resolve never wavered. After weeks at sea, just as he began to doubt the map's authenticity, he spotted land on the horizon. It was the island from the map, shrouded in mist and mystery. Venturing inland, Alex followed an overgrown path that seemed to beckon him deeper into the island's heart. The jungle was alive with vibrant colors and strange, unfamiliar plants. As he trekked through the underbrush, he stumbled upon an ancient, crumbling stone archway, half hidden by vines. Curiosity piqued, Alex pushed aside the foliage and stepped through the archway. On the other side, he discovered a forgotten village, its structures made of stone and wood, now overrun by nature. The village was eerily silent, as if frozen in time. Exploring the ruins, Alex found relics of a bygone era, pottery shards, worn tools, and faded tapestries depicting scenes of a once thriving civilization. In the center of the village stood a grand temple, its entrance adorned with intricate carvings of mythical creatures and celestial symbols. As he entered the temple, Alex felt a sudden chill. The air inside was cool and damp, and the only light came from the small, flickering flame of his torch. He walked cautiously down a long corridor, the walls lined with hieroglyphs and ancient scripts he couldn't decipher. At the end of the corridor, Alex entered a vast chamber. In the center stood a pedestal, upon which rested a glowing, crystalline orb. The orb emitted a soft, pulsating light, casting an ethereal glow over the room. Drawn to its mysterious allure, Alex approached the pedestal and reached out to touch the orb. The moment his fingers made contact, a surge of energy coursed through his body. Visions flooded his mind, images of the island's past, its people, and their connection to the orb. He saw how the islanders had used the orb's power to protect their home from invaders and natural disasters. But over time, the knowledge of its use had been lost, and the island fell into obscurity. As the visions faded, Alex realized the significance of his discovery. The orb was not just a relic but a powerful artifact that held the key to the island's secrets. Determined to learn more, he carefully took the orb and left the temple, vowing to honor the island's legacy and uncover the truth behind its mysterious past. With the orb in his possession, Alex knew his adventure was just beginning. He would return to civilization, share his findings, and continue to explore the world's hidden wonders. The mysterious island had given him a glimpse into a forgotten world, and he was ready to embark on the next chapter of his journey, driven by the thrill of discovery and the promise of new adventures.